In this video, we are going to discuss how to use visualization to improve your life and to achieve your goals. Everything in your world was first a thought. Your universe is first seen and perceived in your mind. Listen, you remember when you were going to get your driver's license? You've been thinking about it for a year, 6 months, 3 months. You've been super excited. I remember this experience very, very well. I was practicing parallel parking in between trash cans. My sister's been letting me drive for the last 2 years. I know what I'm doing. I know how to drive. I'm going to pass this exam, right? But all I kept thinking about was, man, what happens if I fail? How embarrassing is that going to be for me? What are people going to think if I fail on my driver's test? Someone thought it would be a good idea for me to drive a bus and try to parallel park that. I swear, I used my mom's car and it was like huge. Not a smart idea. But anyways, that's not the reason I failed. The reason I failed was because I was unknowingly programming my mind to fail. Every night before bed, I'm thinking about, man, what happens if I fail? What happens if I can't parallel park? What happens if I come out of there without my driver's test? What am I going to have to say to people? What's going to be my excuse? These are all the things I was thinking about. I was worried about what would happen if I don't succeed instead of what may happen if I do. How exciting is this process? Now I'm going to be able to drive by myself. Let's think about that. Let's see that. I didn't know anything about visualization. And I'm not here to talk to you about the science of visualization. You can go look up Dr. Joe Dispenza or somebody like that to tell you about the science behind it. How it literally sends new chemicals down to your body and triggers new events. I'm not here to talk to you about that. That's for you to do your own research if you're interested. All I know is how it's helped my life. And that's why I'm here to share it with you. Conor McGregor tweeted once, whether you like him or not, he's had a major impact on his profession. Well, he tweeted, I have vivid dreams of success. Then it's time to sleep. So he's dreaming, he's daydreaming, he's thinking about the results that he wants, becoming a champion. He's seeing himself KO these guys before it even happens. That's powerful because now he's able to see and perceive all these new opportunities that's going to lead him to that result. He saw himself holding up 2 belts before it even happened. That's what that tweet meant. He's not dreaming while he's sleeping. He's dreaming right before he falls asleep with visualization. I remember Conor McGregor being asked, how does it feel? And he said, I've felt this many times over. This feels normal. Now, if I was thinking about that when I went to get my driver's test, I would have easily accomplished it. Because I knew how to drive. I knew how to park. I knew what I was doing. But my mindset caused me to fail because I was so paranoid and I was in a frantic beta state. What visualization does is put you in that alpha state, that theta state, that nice, relaxed, calm state that allows you to succeed, that allows you to respond instead of react. Now let me tell you how we're going to use this visualization. It's another form of meditation, I know. It's all good. This is what I like to do. I do it before bed. While I'm laying there at bed, why not use my mind appropriately? Why not fill it with something that I want to happen? Whether it does happen or doesn't, guess what? It still shifts my energy. I'm still going to sleep charged up in a different way. I'm feeling good. I'm feeling some gratitude, some enjoyment right before I fall asleep. When you do that, you wake up in that state. So if you're going to bed pissed off, you better change your attitude. You better start this visualization process because you need to go to sleep feeling good so that you can wake up feeling good, so that your body can recharge and heal. All right, I went on a tangent again. Back to it. First thing, set the intention. Set your goal. What is your goal? Determine that goal. Focus on one area of your life that you really want to change, that you really want to accomplish something. Is it that new job? That new relationship? Do you want to score so many touchdowns this year? Do you want to make it to the NFL? What is it for you? I don't care who you are. This is for you. Now you set the scene. What scene do you want to see in your visualization practice? I like to, in my journal, in my goal book, I write down the scene. Set the scene. This is what I accomplished. This is how it makes me feel. I feel successful. I'm proud of myself. My family's proud of me. Whatever it is. This is exciting. I love what I do. My body feels amazing. I feel energized. I lost 30 pounds. Whatever it is for you, I'm telling you, write it down. Set the scene. Set the emotions you want to feel. You want to feel happy. You don't want to feel angry anymore. You don't want to be sad. Set the scene. Set the emotions. Emotions, feelings, belief gets you the results. So now that you've set the scene, it's time to visualize. I'm not asking you for a huge long scene. 5 to 10 minutes. If you're doing it before you sleep, just keep going through this scene until you pass out. Do this as much as you want to. Doesn't hurt. As long as it's causing a good feeling in your body. If it's bringing you down because you feel like I don't have it yet, cut it out. Don't even do that one anymore. Move on. This is just supposed to make us feel good. Now that you're visualizing, you're going through the scene, negative things pop up because it is a meditation. You're using your mind. Your mind is powerful, so you're going to have to work on this. It's a muscle. You're visualizing the scene, getting as detailed as possible. Try to feel it. Describe it. See the colors. Smell the smells. Try to get all 5 senses involved in this scene. Be very descriptive. If you're playing football in your scene, you should be in the helmet. See yourself avoiding the tacklers, making the catch. How do you feel after that happens, after you score that touchdown? Get into those states, those feelings. This is what charges us up. This is what elevates our energy. There's no right or wrong way to do this. It's just about doing it. It's consistency. Consistency is key. Just like when we work out, consistency is key. Continue to do this. Practice it. It takes time. It's not easy. There's other forms of meditation. I'll talk about those later. But this is how you visualize for success. See yourself succeeding in that interview, talking with confidence. See yourself helping people. See yourself performing whatever task it is before it even happens, successfully. Muhammad Ali said, if my mind can conceive it and my heart can believe it, then I can achieve it. Putting our minds and our hearts together, that's full energy. Now that your mind's starting to see this vision, your heart has to believe it. So I'm not asking you to step outside of your realm. Maybe go a step ahead right now. Do this a few times until you get the experience. And then believe big things. Because you can achieve anything that you set your mind to. And remember, what you put out, you get back. If you're thinking about negative things, you're getting negative back to you. Positive things back to you. I just want you to remember that before you start visualizing. When you put your mind and heart together in unison, you project that energy outwardly. And what comes back to you is magnificent. You start attracting the new opportunities. You start seeing life from a different lens. You start gaining courage to take action. Because I know people say, oh, he's just visualization, that's hocus pocus. He won't take action. If you don't take action, you'll never be successful. You'll never get whatever results that you want. Whatever your goal is, you'll never achieve it because you're just visualizing. Well, I'm telling you today that if you start to visualize, you will take action. I'm not telling you not to take action because taking action is one of the most important steps. I know this. But if the visualization gives us the energy to do so, so be it. It fuels us up. It builds our energy. It makes us feel good. So we get that inner motivation. We build some self-esteem. We get that courage to go after whatever it is, to take that next action step. We're putting all this work in. We're thinking about it. It's on our mind. We're building that desire. What you put your mind to, you can achieve. Listen, there's no stopping you. Go after your dreams. Go after your goals. Woo! How's that feel? That feels amazing, right? You're awake now. This is a simple visualization practice that you can do today, tonight. Set the goal, set the intention, set the scene, and then visualize. Try to feel the emotions that you would feel as if this goal already happened, as if you already achieved it. Do you feel successful? Do you feel confident? Do you feel energized? Do you feel healthy? What is it that you feel? What is it that you want to feel? And start to feel that today. Start to feel that right now after this video. It's all good. It's one love always. Thank you so much for watching. And if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe.